Just let it out.
You don't like your dog.
Just let it out, dude. But I am.
Does she talk to you?
No.
Huh?
No.
Why is that? How much she likes me, Shan. I'm always doing that. You forgot about her?
Yeah.
Is that good or bad for you?
It's good.
Good.
Just let it out. I'm letting it out now, so I don't have to worry about it later. Here.
You must not like